Hello students, let me start the session with a question. Do you think tax is a very difficult subject? If your answer is yes, then watch this video. You will definitely change your mindset. I will teach you from the beginning. First we will see meaning of the term tax. What is tax? It is a compulsory financial charge by the government on public. Compulsory financial charge? Yes, definitely it is a compulsory financial charge. Nobody is willingly and very happily paying tax. Why the tax is collected by the government from the public? The government collect the tax for its own spending and for meeting various public expenditures. The tax money is used by the government for spending on providing infrastructure like roads, public transport, sanitation, and for military, scientific research, public safety and education and healthcare system. In economic terms, taxation transfers wealth from households or businesses to the government. Now we are going to see the classification of tax. One is direct tax, another one is indirect tax. Direct tax is a tax on individual or organization. They have to pay the tax directly to the imposing entity. Under this category, we are having corporate tax, income tax, wealth tax and capital gains tax. Direct taxes are based on the ability to pay principle. It is charged only on people who have more resources or earn a higher income. You take an example of income tax. Income tax is only charged on people whose annual income is more than 2,50,000, right? Direct taxes cannot be passed on to different person or entity. The responsibility of paying taxes cannot be shifted to any other persons. The next one is the indirect tax. It is the opposite of direct tax. Indirect tax is charged on an individual or entity which is ultimately paid for by another person. An indirect tax is collected by one entity in the supply chain, usually a producer or retailer, and paid to the government, but it is passed on to the consumer as a part of the purchase price of a good or service. The consumer is ultimately paying the tax by paying more for the products. It includes excise tax, customs duty, sales tax, value added tax. Now it is everything is replaced by a common taxation, goods and services tax. I hope you all understood the differences between direct tax and indirect tax. Thank you.